Normal couple reacting to a horror movie.
Sugar, I'm scared. Brandy's gonna die if she doesn't make it to the safe house.
Me too, Cher. It's too intense for this Cajun. Gambit got Mickey Mouse Clubhouse on just in case it gets too serious.
Good idea, Remy.
Hot topic couple reacting to a horror movie. Oh, brother, this movie sickens me. Why is the villain monologuing? If it were me, I'd have consumed 3 planets by the time he gets to killing his prey. Honestly, what a waste of time.
Typical. Humans are so dramatic when they're about to die.